guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be drawing again. So today we're going to be drawing a robot. So first we're going to start with this shape. It's like a football. This is gonna, by the way, this is a robot that's gonna need pencils and texture. So first, start with this. Here. Just like that. Then two big circles for the eyes. They don't have to be the exact same size, and just a tiny smile. Just like that. So here you can start with that, then a little antenna right here, like that. Now for the body and neck. So first a tiny little neck and a big body. Mine is gonna be wide like this, so that. Then now just draw those bits on each side like that. And now I'm going to draw his legs. Like that. With his arms. You can do that. And that. But for the other arm, it's a little different. If you want, you can make the arms different. But this one, actually, I'm not going to make it different, but if you want, you can. Like, for example, you can put like a little gun on the end, or a something, anything, even a chainsaw or something, anything you want. Now, here's these bits. In the eyes, like that. Here. Now, a cube here, and 8 circles here. Now, cube around that, and another little cube here. So now for these ones, you can all connect them randomly here. For this one, you can put a little, like, another robot inside. Like so. And here, another robot inside there. So here, a mini house. A mini houses that represents the home. So yeah. Then in this box, in the very center, a big red button, which is the on and off. Here he is. Don't forget these bits at the bottom of the legs. So here he is. Now outline in texture. So this by the way, you can customize it however you want. You don't have to do my way or anything. You can do however you want. Also, if you're behind, feel free to pause the video if you need. So here's also, by the way, if you want, you can get a small pen. I'll just do one thing quickly. So as I said, you can get a pen and just do this. Trace the bits that we'll need. Pen the little bits, the detail, like this. On, off, like that. And the mini robot that is inside of him. The house, the robot head, and the other house. And add doors and windows if you want. So here, this is the sketch. But now we are going to move on to colouring him in. So first, you're going to need this, and you're just going to colour his entire head and not his eyes, just his head. But here, also you can change it up however you want, like put stars, so you can even colour him with textures or any materials you want. You just have more. I just have this and these pencils here, but you can colour in however you want. So here, and now for his arms, just do his arms, not his hands, because those are in a different color. Also, he doesn't even have to be yellow. He can be a color that you like. I just chose a yellow because it looks good and yeah, and it suits the robot. Okay, so here, now, color in the hands and the neck and the things here. Don't forget also color that in this color. Just like so. Then the final thing is, you color that bit black. Keep those bits white. Here. And also, sorry, but that was my dog that's just barking right now. So here, that's. Then here, that's there, that's there. And also here, that's blue. What is my dog doing? Here, and that, and also this one. And can make that one connect there. Like that. Then just color that in like that. Then color that in here, just like so. And you can color this bit there and the head and that. Also, by the way, it doesn't have to look like this. It can be however you want. The most important thing is you just have to have fun. So, this is it. Here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go check out my other videos. There's other drawing videos. I think so far one, but there's a bunch of other content that you might like. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.